Stop scrolling. You're about to learn how AI can help you make money online. No coding degree required. Let's talk about making money online with AI. Sounds fancy, right? Don't worry, you don't need to build a robot or be some tech guru. With AI tools, it's all about working, not harder. First up, content creation. Tools like ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, product descriptions, or even catchy social media captions. You can charge clients for this work, or use it to boost your own business. Next, AI can help you design. Platforms like Canva now have AI features to generate logos, banners, or social posts in seconds. And guess what? People for those services on freelance sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Now here's a big one. E-commerce. AI tools can analyze trends, predict what's hot, and even write product reviews or ads for your online store. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. And if you're into teaching or coaching, AI can create ebooks, courses, or even automate parts of your customer support. You focus on the big picture and let the AI handle the details. The key? Don't overthink it. Start small. Pick one AI tool, learn how it works, and apply it to something people pay for. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to you. So, are you ready to let AI help you make money online? The future is here, and it's time to cash in.